It's hard to believe, but I have been working hard all spring and all winter, and I have two campers to bring to you right now. This is the 1954 first year, very rare Aloha. This is as beautiful a camper as you're ever going to see in your whole entire life. This one came out beautifully. You can see that it has everything brand new. All of the windows have been rebuilt. The door has been rebuilt. New exterior lights, new interior lights, new tires. Look at this beautiful screen door. Let's go on in. Brand new upholstery, new AC, everything is new. Rewired gas light for electric. There you see the upper cabinets, magazine rack, shelf, and that is a 54-inch bed. Absolutely comfortable. And there is your 3.2 cubic foot retro refrigerator. This thing is beautiful. Here's another good shot of your dinette seating. Brand new everything. The upholstery is fresh tweed. It is gorgeous. You can see the refrigerator right there. You can see the new sink. Well, it's a used sink. Came with the trailer. And there is another shot of your AC. Lots of amber shellac, vinyl flooring. There's just nothing that hasn't been touched. Let's get on over to the 1959 Scotsman. I know this one's a little bit small, but I'm just not good at editing. But we're going to watch just for 1 minute, and then I'll bring you some pictures. This thing is all new. New roof, new skin, just the same as the Aloha. New tires, new everything, all windows reworked. Original windows, the door has been rebuilt. We'll jump inside here, and this one has the original dinette seating, and look at that. It has been reupholstered. Everything is fresh and new. And of course, we did the same thing right there and reworked that gas light into electric. This one actually has curtains, and there's that retro look 3.2 cubic refrigerator. We'll get bigger pictures. Stick around, stick around. And we go to the back where we've got some copper lights in the back. This has a 48-inch bed and AC, and it also has the water in, water out. Here we go. Here's a picture there. You can see the refrigerator, the retro look, and the AC. And there is your overhead lighting. Let's go back up to the front. The dinette is set up beautifully, very comfortable seating, turns into a bed. And you can see that gas light that is now electric. And here's a view from the side. You can see lots and lots of storage in both of these campers. Very, very comfortable campers, very beautiful campers. Just a good shot right there of the countertop and the white sink that matches the AC and the refrigerator. Thanks for taking a look. This is another outside shot of the Scotsman. If you're interested in either one of these, my email address is in the description. So just send me an email. Or those of you that are on YouTube, hit me up on YouTube or Facebook. And I would be very happy to talk to you about them. Either camper, $11,900. Either one. That is the bottom dollar price. We're selling them.